Welcome back to the channel. Going up the trail, gonna fish that creek. Just passed a few fishermen that were already fishing. I'm gonna go way up, do the right thing, give these guys room, not jump in front of them and mess their fishing up. And then they'd have to jump in front of me and I have to jump in front of them again. No, I'm gonna go up about a half mile. They're not gonna fish that much. Get in, start fishing. See you on the water in just a minute. Well, nobody upstream. Look at this water. Guys, this is a special place to me. This is a very special place. This is one of the most beautiful rivers I fish, but it is rough and tumble. Now, these are not gonna be big. There are some big fish in here, but I'm not expecting any. You'll notice how it's all rock right here, up. There's no real trees like right at the water's edge. This is very prone to flash flooding. This is one of the reasons there's not a lot of large fish in here. Upstream, tributaries come together real fast through straight down ravines, and it flash floods, and when it flash floods, water be this high. And you lose fish when that happens every time. And also the rocks tumble and it kills insects. It kills your mayfly nymphs, your caddisflies. So when they get a flash flood, this place takes a major population decrease in trout, insect life, and underwater vegetation. But I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's get cracking. And we're looking at rainbows and browns. And there's a possibility of a brook trout. There are some on higher up. I don't think I've ever caught a brook trout this low on this river. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this little yellow jacket fly. There we go. Okay, this is what I expect right here. This is what I expect. Oh. 7 to 10 inches. Yeah, buddy. I'll tell you what, this yellow jacket, it has been a good producer. I forgot my hat. I got a baseball cap on. I forgot my silly Tilly hat. Hey, this is gonna be. I think the camera's going to push this hat down even more than it does my Tilly hat, which is way too much. He's about 11 or 12. He was a bigger fish. Oh man. Oh. Shoot, fish. Followed it right to the lip. I think he saw me at the last minute. That's a possibility. Yeah. No depth here, but good looking little run. Oh golly, that was small. Oh, don't slime it. Oh yeah, I hope I'm recording. Not a bad fish, not a bad fish, not a bad fish. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 10 inches, maybe. Oh, come here. That's about what I was looking at. Nicely colored little bow. Nice. Man, look, he was in that nothing water, man. Right in there. It's a 1.5 feet deep at the deepest. That's where he was, and he came up and killed the yellow jacket. Oh, hard to get a good drift in there. Not too bad, not too bad. Man, that was a small fish. I say that a lot. Because there's a lot of small fish in here. In every place I fish, it seems. Oh, how did I do that? Derek? I did it. Oh, yeah, okay. There was a fish in there. Holy cow. Oh, the biggest one so far, maybe? Nice, nice. Nice. Another rainbow. Oh. Man, he fought hard. I mean, he just hit it like he was 15 inches, man. Fish is ambitious. Yeah, I did it. Golly, it doesn't take much. Man, the way they hit they've been hitting this thing good. I'm not missing a lot of fish except for those little micro trout. They can't get their mouth around the hook. Like that one right there. I don't want to catch those anyway, so not a lot of misses. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm back to normal. Oh yeah, I'm back to my usual. I was wondering when that would kick in. A little brown trout. Itsy bitsy brown trout. Now all I got to do, well, I can't really count him. That is not a big fish. Catch a brook trout and I have the grand slam. I splashed water and got my clothes all wet because it's so hot. And steam is coming off my shirt and my pants. Man, this run looks good. Oh yeah, come on now. Today's the day we take it solid, guys. We've already been through all that. Up in the smoke. This steam is just coming off my shirt. It is hot, guys, and there's no wind. There's none. Zilch, zero, nada. It's just hot, humid, and it's miserable. It's gonna get 90 degrees up here in the mountains. I know why that fish hit it and refused it. The black banding came off my yellow jacket. It's now no longer a yellow jacket, and it's got stuff coming out of its butt. So I don't know about fish. Might not want to eat an insect. It's dropping a deuce. Okay. Another yellow jacket fly, like the last one. I tied 4 of them up because I was having pretty decent luck with them in the Smokies. Oh, well, that was probably about 4 or 5 inches, maybe. There we go. More like it, more like it. Okay. 8, 7.5. Not what I expect. Come on, fish. It's right there. You know you want it. Yellow jacket, man. It's a new genetically modified yellow jacket. It doesn't have a stinger. That's not a bad idea. Well, there's a little bit of a trail. I'm gonna get back to the trail. I'm way away from it. And something happens to me. It's hard for somebody to see me. I'm by myself and I'm older, and this is some rough wading. Which way does it go? Which way did it go, George? Which way did it go? Let's try that one. Anyway, y'all get the picture. Found the main trail. Yeah, I found a way back to the water, I think, and a nice place to camp. Looks really good. And there's nobody here. Nice. Yeah, this is gonna be... Someone's smoking. I can smell a cigarette. Smells good. I used to smoke. I miss it. Oh, I do. Well, the guys I saw downstream, they came up the trail, got in. They didn't see me. They didn't know. They didn't even know. There's no way they could have known I was right there. They got in just right around the corner right above me. I'm still on the trail, leaving those guys a lot of water to play around in. Man, I left them some very pretty pools. But you know, guys, that's what you do. They don't need to be fishing behind me. I ran into their lady friend, and she said they weren't having much luck. So I told her what I was using and what I suggested they try. And maybe then coming through here that I hadn't stomped through and caught fish out of, maybe they'll catch some fish. So guys, if y'all are watching this video, you're welcome. Glad to do it, man. It's the right thing to do. I don't know if I can go. No, I ain't doing that. No. Man, there's some beautiful water down in there. Yeah, I think the big ones have stopped. I believe they have just flat out stopped. Oh, yeah, that's more like it. Oh, no, I did not. Oh, no, I did not. I went right into the dang tree. Son of a biscuit eater. Yeah, this is the biggest one so far, I think. It may be 12. Nah, 11-ish. I don't know. Fantastic. Started raining. Find out if the Rain X is going to keep water off my lens. Yeah, he was in the right place, man. Perfect. Picture perfect. Came up, took it solid. Well, maybe their bite isn't quite off yet after all. Should start catching some brook trout here in a little bit. We're getting almost high enough to where you start catching brook trout. That late way, of course, that could have changed since I fished here. I don't know if I'm recording or not. I mentioned it's raining. Oh yeah. Check. It's thundering and lightning. Maybe these fish will get dumb. I don't know. Worth a shot. This is one of the pools I let those guys, I skipped. Let those guys fish. So, I'm pretty sure they didn't do anything to it. We don't have to really worry about spooking the trout. Not with that drizzle on the surface. They can't see squat out of the water right now. Theoretically. I hope y'all don't have too much water on the lens. Okay. I hope the rain's off. I'm gonna catch one right here. I want y'all to see it. Oh no! No! Oh, I felt him good. Very good. He ain't coming back up for nothing. Dang it, that would have been about what I've been catching. That's it. That's gonna be it for this pull, more than likely. I hit it. He hit it right into it. Oh, this is the best fish of the trip. I hope I'm filming up. Hope there ain't a massive amount of water on that lens. Fish. Rainbow trout in the rain. I'll be dang. There is a way that comes right by here and it goes out right there somewhere. Okay, I caught those fish out of that pool right there. People been walking by here all day long, red shirts, everything, you know what I mean? These fish aren't going to be sticky. That's why I caught those fish. Right there, those fish could see people coming by there. They still bit. I might have some luck here, and I may go down to that one right there. Here comes the sun. Da 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 da. Yeah. Man, sun definitely came out. Hey. Oh, it's going great. But I miss work so much. I miss work so much. Yeah. You too. Oh well. Worth a shot. That was a fish of the day. That was a fish of the day. Oh my goodness, that was a nice fish. No. Slip slide and away. Sun's out. Warm my bones, man. I got cold in that rain. Not bad, not bad. Not what I've been catching. Where'd he get to? There he is. Oh no, I snagged him. He came up and hit it, missed it, and I snagged him. Look at the colors on that rainbow. Golly, that is super cool. That is super cool. There we go. They're little. Oh, sorry about the rock there, fish. Ah, did not mean to do that. I did not want to. Again, this one's snagged too. Poor little fishy. Well, you know, it's like 2:30 on a hot, muggy summer day. I'm catching fish. I'm happy. I'm very happy with this. So guys, that wraps it up. That was a fantastic day. Caught fish, got some decent fish. That's a it's not a very fertile stream, but there are some fish in there. But anyway, thanks for coming. Oh, and I apologize. I meant to shoot that in 4K, and I didn't. So I guess I'm gonna have to go back and do it again in 4K. Hope to see you guys out there on the river sometime. Thanks for watching. Later.